This recipe is for taco tortilla roll-ups. Ingredients you'll need will be cream cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, a little bit of mild cheddar cheese, or you could use Fiesta blend cheese or taco cheese, or actually any kind of cheese you like, a pouch of taco seasoning, and tortilla roll-ups. So first I've got my cream cheese. I already opened it up. I let it soften a little bit sitting out. I'm going to that I'm going to add my half a cup of sour cream. That's going to make it a little easier to blend and spread. And then I'm going to add my taco seasoning. And then I'm going to switch over to a spoon here so I can stir it a little bit easier. This might be where a blender might come in handy, but you can do this by hand if you have softened your cream cheese enough. Work your muscles into it. Get a good arm workout from this. And if you'd like, you could also add a little bit of salsa. The recipe does not call for salsa, but if you like, that would be good in here too. It does call for chicken, but I thought today we would just stick kind of basic for a basic roll-up. Finish stirring it the best I can here. All right. Get my spatula in here and try to mash it down. And next, we're going to take our tortilla and we're going to start putting it on and spreading the mixture out and across. You're going to do this with all your tortillas until all your mixture is gone. Okay, so it looks pretty good. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some cheese. That looks pretty good. I'm going to scoot this out of the way so you can see this a little better. Then I'm going to roll up. That's where the roll up part comes from. Roll up your mixture. And you're going to do this until all of your tortilla mixture, or you run out of tortillas. So this is all gone. And you can repeat and put them in the refrigerator. So we're going to pretend I put it in the refrigerator. It's good if it sits in there because it'll sit back up and get more firm. Then you're going to take a knife and have an adult help you with this. And you're going to cut them into little pieces, little roll-up bites. A little sour cream on this one. That'd be all right. And the end of mine is unrolling. This might happen to you too. They unroll a little bit. I like to try to cut them. Get as many out of one as I can. And I got some flat little ends. That's okay. So that's how you would serve them, is cut into little rolls just like this. They're little bite sizes. Hope you enjoy.